guys, it's your girl Andrea coming to you with another video. And so today I'm going to be cleaning out the fridge as well as organizing it with these pretty clear containers that we're all so obsessed with. Normally my fridge is not this dirty. I normally clean it after every time we go grocery shopping, but I think since I knew I was going to record this video, I just been putting it like, oh, okay, I'll just wait till I have to clean the video. So it's normally not this dirty, but today it is, so bear with me. Let's get it. So guys, the first thing you need to do when you are going to reorganize and clean your fridge is to take everything out, which is to me the most stressful thing, because guys, look at that. We got a whole bunch of leftovers, some other random stuff, and then some things in the back. I don't know. But step one, take everything out of the fridge. That I have to watch the little man over there. What I'm gonna do is, in the process, I'm gonna go ahead and soak these in some hot water. If you can tell, they're not like disgusting, but they are gross, like they are dirty. Normally, I would take everything out and soak it, but I'm gonna do it in portions because I don't want the food to get, I don't leave the food out too long because this is gonna take me a good. Okay guys, so right now I have the bins soaking, and I'm just gonna give these a nice rinse. You can do soap and water, but I just did hot water because sometimes it takes so much work to get the bubble scum off that it's not necessarily worth it, depending on how dirty yours are. Mine actually weren't that bad. I'm pretty proud of us. And so yeah, so I'm just gonna rinse these off, put them on a towel, let them dry off as I go to the second sink. took the shelf out and cleaned it. It was disgusting, and I've already rinsed it out. And so all I'm gonna do now is just put all the new clear containers in and throw away all the old food. So second thing, throw away expired items. Organize. Get your system to start looking really nice is to match things by color. It also helps like when you need to grab something. So I have all the green things here. As you see, I have red, yellows, greens. Normally we have a little bit more fruit and a few more vegetables, like fresh fruit and vegetables, but right now all we have is apples, oranges, and blackberries, depending on the boys' habit and where we are in the month. Depends on how much fruit we have in here. So this is what we have for now, but I'm trying to organize it by color. Are y'all ready to see the final fridge organized and ready? Look at this, guys. Can y'all see that? Okay. So, real quick, on this side, the top is just extra. I know we don't always have these juices in here, but Rico likes to have his juice cold. I usually keep it in the pantry. All this is all our green, and then we have water, tea. We don't always have tea, so sometimes it'll just be the water that's in here. And then at the top we got our apples. Boys love apples. Whenever they move on to something else, it'll probably be potatoes that'll go in here. Oranges, blackberries. Sometimes we have blackberries. We have blackberries, strawberries, or raspberries, but we do have a fruit. And then oranges, wine. This is all of our salad dressings. I don't know why we have that many salad dressings, but we just do. Bread, we go through bread like crazy in this house. So much bread. Soda, so it's not always this soda. Usually it's vanilla Coke or sparkling water. We have yogurt. This is all our meat, milk. So we don't normally have both of these juices open. It's usually always one. But we've been really into this cran grade. It's pretty good. And then my fancy water with lemon. Behind here is the leftovers. Salad. It's actually better for you guys if you take your salad out, rinse it, put it through a salad spinner, and then put it in a container. This salad will last, or the lettuce will last forever. So it's just the lettuce cut up and put in here. We use a lot of like lemons and limes when we're cooking, and then sometimes I put in my water. So this will be for all of our lemon and limes. I pack a cheese stick for Mayo every day for school. He doesn't have dairy, like he doesn't like milk, and he doesn't like yogurt, anything else, but he will eat cheese. So I usually pack cheese. More vegetables. More vegetables. On this side, everything that's red was supposed to be at the top. I don't know if that has this much red stuff. Cinnamon rolls, and then all of this is my creamer. I usually always have 2 creamers because we go through coffee like crazy, and then some whipped cream. So guys, that's it, guys. I am so obsessed with how it turned out. I absolutely love it. I linked the containers that I have in my in the description here. And guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.